Guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around here, just kind of going over overall paint quality, interior, all four wheels. As you can see, none of the wheels have curb rash. All the paint's in excellent condition. It's a very tidy GT500. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside on the passenger side here. You can see all the leather's in excellent condition. Let's go ahead and look back here. Let's see. Everything's super nice and clean. Everything's just super tidy. Let's go ahead and look at the rest of the car. The wheels on the passenger side are really nice and tidy. No curb rash. No big paint chips in the front either. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you need a shipping quote, we'd be happy to assist if you use the contact seller button. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, you can go ahead and use the contact seller button. We can start a conversation.